Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be making Vicks shower steamers, perfect for the upcoming cold and flu season. Super simple. All you're going to need is 4 cups of water. I'm doubling this recipe, so I have 8 cups here, but 4 cups of water, a tablespoon of your Vicks of choice. This is what I'm using today so that I can also use it on my kids all the way down to my baby who may or may not be needing some of these. The last thing you're going to need is some sort of ice cube tray. I would recommend using old ones that you don't use anymore, just because you are going to be putting Vicks in them, and then some sort of Ziploc bag because these will have to stay frozen, and then as you need them you pull them out of the freezer and throw them in the bottom of your shower and they will steam for you. This is really simple. All we're going to do is take either your 4 cups or in my case my 8 cups of water. We are going to boil this down. We are going to get this at a boil here with our tablespoon of your Vicks of choice. All we're looking to do here is to melt the Vicks down into the water, so once you kind of look in your pot you no longer see your chunks of Vicks floating around in here. As you see, once those are melted down, then you're good to go ahead and let this cool. Put it in your ice cube trays, get them in the freezer, and you could leave them in the ice cube trays like this, but I prefer to pop them out, put them in a Ziploc bag, and label them as shower steamers. That way nobody is getting a nasty surprise in an unexpected drink, but it's totally up to you.